Ambient Air Conditioning's home base is located on Teesside and was established in 2004. Since then, we have developed a team with extensive experience in air conditioning design, installation and problem solving. Ambient is dedicated to providing the best quality service for air conditioning, ventilation and industrial heating. A combination of extensive installation experience and specialist engineering and design expertise enables us to view projects from an engineering perspective, developing solutions to challenging situations. Ambient designs, supplies and installs high-performance, energy-efficient and highly cost-effective heating and cooling solutions throughout the UK. For high-quality air conditioning, ventilation and industrial heating, come to Ambient.